Venerable Mahabuddhaghosa, the compiled the three commentaries on Abhidhamma. This practice supported clearly through the beginning and ending stanzas and facts embedded in Gandhavansa. Following my teacher Vijita Kumara and following the Gandhavansa, Venerable Chullabuddhaghosa is Sri Lankan monk, that it is very clear. According to Venerable Chullabuddhaghosa's invitation, Venerable Mahabuddhaghosa compiled there are three Abhidhamma commentaries. So, in Visuddhimagga Nidana Katha says as this: Attasalinin samhova vinodanincha dhatu katadi nidana dhatu katadi panchappakara nassa attakatan chati tisso abhidhammatta katayo attana sadisanamena sotattaki ganthakarakena buddhaghosa bhikkhuna ayachito akasi. And in Dhammasangani Attakatha says as this: Visuddhachara Silena Nipunamala Buddhina Bhikkhuna Buddhaghosena Sakkachang Abhiyachito. And in Vibhanga Attakatha, Attapakasanattan Tassahang Yachito Titagunena Yatina Adanda Gatina Subuddhina Buddhaghosena. Here our great commentator Venerable Mahabuddhaghosa introduced this Venerable Chullabuddhaghosa as this Yatina Adanda Gatina Subuddhina Buddhaghosena. And secondly, further according to the Visuddhimagga Nidana Katha and Gandhavansa notes that Venerable Chullabuddhaghosa and Mahabuddhaghosa held identical names, but the former venerated the latter with deep respect as his teacher. We can see that statement Attana Sadisanamena in Visuddhimagga Nidana Katha Abhidhammatta Katayo Attana Sadisanamena Sotattaki Ganthakarakena etc. And Tasma Abhidhammatta Katasu Abhiyachako Buddhaghoso Achariyena Samanamo. Here Achariyena Samanamo. We can define one: who is teacher and who is student. Here teacher is Venerable Mahabuddhaghosa and student is Venerable Chullabuddhaghosa. And then Gandhavansa also mentions that Venerable Chullabuddhaghosa as a Sri Lankan, as the Chullabuddhaghosa Sariputta Rattapalacharyo ime Dvepanyasacharya Lankadipikacharya Nama, as this. It is stated in Satattaki itself that same was compiled by Venerable Chullabuddhaghosa without anybody influencing him to do so. Sotattaki Mahanidanannam Pakaranam Attano Matya Chullabuddhaghosachariyena Katha. We can refer that. And in my third slide, this sentence from Sri Saddharmavada Sangrahaya, written by Velivita Sri Saranankara Sangaraja Thera's student, one of student, Venerable Tibbatuave Sri Siddhartha Thera in Kandy period. In Sinhala, Buddhakaraka Dharma Puranehi Yedenu Kemati Shraddha Buddhi Sampanna Satpurusha Janayange Ussaha Vadavanu Pinisa Solasaki Nidanehiya Sodantaka Nidanehi the Mahasampinda Nidanehi the Akramayin. According to the Sri Saddharmavada Sangrahaya, we can see there are three books: Solasaki Nidane, Sodantaka Nidane, Mahasampinda Nidane. As this, the method referred to these three books is indicated here for benefit for those who wish to fulfill perfection for Buddhahood with faith and intelligence. They should follow this method. Here we can see Sodantaka Nidana. any other name, Solasaka Nidane, I don't know what is this book. In my fourth slide, a remainder of this work. By this time, the Satattaki Nidana had become non-existent, but a remainder of this work is connected and remains at the end of the work, Sampindita Mahanidane. The author of Sampindita Mahanidane and the period it was written is uncertain, but it is a work done in Pali language to explain the life of Lord Buddha. As our opinion, Sampindita Mahanidane is one of the Theravada book, because it's especially this book in Pali language. But Venerable Balangoda Ananda Maitriya Thera said as this Sampindita Mahanidane one of Sammitiya school's book in his Jatakamala edition. But I don't know why he say as this. That then here should be study about Sampindita Mahanidane. Here gives for you contents of Sampindita Mahanidane. Here Nidana means hidden treasure or chronicle. Here first one Atidure Dura Nidana. Atidure Dura means earliest. Atidura Nidana earlier. Atidura here. Dure Nidana. Dura means early. Avidura means near. And Santika means very close. Sangiti Kata about the first council. And passing away of Venerable Mahakassapa Thera, Mahakassapa Thera Parinibbana Kata, and about the future, especially Metteya Buddha, Anagata Kata. Dhamma Sampinda means collection of doctrinal matters. And here should be especially a study about end of the Sampindita Mahanidane. Even the end of this work is not presented clearly. When going into details of this work, it was noted unexpectedly that one whole passage is divided to explain the words convene the worship term Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa, that the ancestral Samma Sambuddha Satattaki Mahanidane will be proclaimed while at the some time declaring by the text that the Sampindita Mahanidane has come to an end. This is the method shown in many Olalip manuscripts of Sampindita Mahanidane presently existing in Sri Lanka. Here, in this last chapter of Sampindita Mahanidane, discuss about many doctrinal matters, Four Noble Truths, Paticcasamuppada, etc. But while in discuss about defilements or taints, kilesa, says as this: Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassati. Namoti Namavandana Sakkara Bahumana Sadara Puja Katanjali Samichikarana Bhavito Tassati and Buddhassati Chatusattari Vidasa Pavara Bodhipakya Dhammasa Nidassana Iti Dhyanjana Paricheda Dasananti Attu. And lastly, finally, one stanza, Dalhappa Jauvasa Namojinassa Dhammasa Sangasa Nijakkamasa Vakkavi Sambuddha Paramparagata Satattaki Mahanidana. And we can see ending statement of this book as Sampindita Nidana Kata Nittita. As this passage, we can see about what this ending is not presented as very clearly. And Then last continuing, the last chapter of Sampindita Mahanidane contains what is known as Dhamma Sampinde, composed by a Dhammabhanaka known as Jinavara Dhammodaya. We can refer that. ඉදන් ධම්ම පින්ඩන් නාම අනුපුබ්බ පුබ්බාචාරිය වචන පරම්පර සාරිනා බුද්ධ ධම්ම විපච්චනික අහිත චිත්තේන විචිත්ත කතිනා ජිනවර ධම්මෝ දේන නාම ධම්ම භාණේන අபிසංකතං නිද්දිට්ඨමේව හෝතිති. As this, in a similar way, the Sātattaki Mahanidane, composed by Venerable Chulla Buddha Ghosa during a later period, may have got delayed copying the Olalip manuscripts, resulting in the Sampindita Mahanidane edition or writing getting added to it towards the end of it. On the other hand, by the examination of the contents of the Sampindita Mahanidane and by a close examination of Sātattaki Nidana, it is clearly seen that both these editions have been trying to focus on the origin of the hidden treasures. Then I here show that my conclusion. This work is extended by adding to it 3 different chronicles known as far, near and very close in Pali, Dure Nidana, Avidure Nidana and Santike Nidana, prepared by commentators, especially here Venerable Mahabuddha Ghosa Thera. In his commentaries, Buddhavansa Attakatha and Jataka Attakatha, we can see earlier in Bahira Nidana Katha Khanda below include these Nidana Katha, Dure Nidana, Avidure Nidana and Santike Nidana. After that Santike Nidana and started Abhantara Nidana and Sutta Nidana and Vinaya Nidana. Venerable Chulla Buddha Ghosa, who showed great respect for commentator Venerable Mahabuddha Ghosa, wrote a book about him. However, it is observed that Venerable Chulla Buddha Ghosa changed the script written by Venerable Mahabuddha Ghosa by adding 2 chronicles. What are they adding? 2 chronicles, Atidure Dura Nidana and Atidura Nidana. Earliest Nidana and earlier Nidana. But Venerable Mahabuddha Ghosa, in his commentary, he says as Dure Nidana, Avidure Nidana, Santike Nidana. So that original written of Venerable Mahabuddha Ghosa and changed by his student Venerable Chulla Buddha Ghosa. This one is question. This question for you. And here bibliography. Here second one, Sampindita Mahanidana. This one is not edition. We not should be considered as edition. This one is according to the author, and according to the author, this one is copyright and copy paste from Olalip manuscript. Thank you for sharing your IC and mine. Thanks.